Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can create this really fun and beautiful double half hitch knot macrame pattern. Let's get started. Start by attaching 5 cords to your dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Then take your middle left cord and point it down diagonal and to the left and tie 4 double half hitch knots around this rope. Now take your middle right cord and point it down, diagonal, and to the right and tie 4 double half hitch knots. Now take your middle left cord, point it down towards the left, and tie 3 double half hitch knots. Take the middle right cord, point it down towards the right, and tie 3 double half hitch knots. Middle left cord now points down towards the left, and we're going to tie 2 double half hitch knots. Middle right points down towards the right, and we tie 2 double half hitch knots. Now I'm going to take my cord here on the very far left, and I'm going to point it down towards the right and tie 2 double half hitch knots with the next 2 cords. Now take that same leading rope and this time point it back down towards the left and tie 2 more double half hitch knots. Repeat this process on the right side. Now I'm going to slide a bead right onto the 4 cords in the middle. If you do not have a bead, you can always leave this blank or tie a berry knot with the 4 cords in the middle. Now we're basically going to tie a mirror image of what is up here down below. So take your 3rd cord from the left and point it down towards the right and tie 2 double half hitch knots. Do the same on the right side. Now take the 2nd cord from the left and point it down towards the right and tie 3 double half hitch knots. Repeat on the right side. Now take your far left cord, point it down towards the right, and tie 4 double half hitch knots. Repeat on the right side. And there we go. This really cool and pretty double half hitch knot pattern is complete. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.